Well, so in this video, I want to tell you what shot of liquid that I take at nights right before going to sleep that's helped me with my snoring, and actually it's helped me with sleep apnea, because I've had bad times where I would wake up and just out of my sleep and couldn't breathe. Well, the last 4 or 5 months I've been consuming this extra virgin olive oil on the recommendation of Dr. Stephen Gundry. And he's on YouTube and he's written books like The Plant Paradox. And he says that basically extra virgin olive oil will help lubricate the respiratory system, the lungs, the tonsils, and just make for a better breathing experience while you're sleeping. And I've noticed the last 4 or 5 months while consuming olive oil before bed that I'm not tossing and turning as much. I wake up in the mornings, I feel much more relaxed, and I feel like I had a good night's sleep. And so I'm not waking up to all of a sudden realize I'm having breathing problems. So I have been consuming this, and it does help. Now you might ask, well, what is extra virgin olive oil? Why is it healthy? Well, it's rich in vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium, magnesium. It's a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. And omega-3 is anything that's high, fish is high in omega-3, avocado, nuts. It's the actual real form of fatty acid, as opposed to omega-6. A lot of omega-6 rich oils like vegetable oil, like canola oil and safflower oil. It's basically a man-made processed oil that's been invented in the last 50 plus years, and it's high in omega-6. And Americans usually have like a 20-to-1 ratio of 20 omega-6 to only 1 omega-3, which is like extra virgin olive oil and avocado. So you want to increase that. And so what are some of the benefits of extra virgin olive oil? And at the end of this video, I'm going to actually consume three tablespoons of extra olive oil and show you what it looks like and how I drink it. So as we know, it's high in monounsaturated fats. It's high in antioxidants. It's got strong anti-inflammatory properties. It can help prevent stroke. It can help against heart disease. And there's been numerous studies that have proven that extra virgin olive oil is good for cardiovascular disease, and it will help minimize the risk of it. It's not associated with weight gain and obesity. Literally a whole cup of extra virgin olive oil is 1,000 calories. So it is high in calories, but it's not associated with weight gain or obesity. It may fight against Alzheimer's disease, reduce in type 2 diabetes. Antioxidants in olive oil have anti-cancer properties, especially breast cancer. It can treat rheumatoid arthritis in general. So it's got antibacterial properties. So there's numerous health benefits to taking it. High in omega-A, vitamin K, high in potassium, magnesium. So that's another thing. If you get cramps at night right before you're going to bed or while you're sleeping, you get these really bad cramps. Magnesium is super, super good for cramps. So that's something good to take. So numerous studies have been done on it. Now, what kind of extra virgin olive oil should you take? Well, if you can get organic, that's preferable. But not all extra virgin olive oils are created equal. So they've done numerous studies in California that shows what's real extra virgin olive oil as opposed to fake that's got vegetable oil in it. Here's a good one that I take. It's called California Olive Ranch. That was on the research they did that was proven to be real extra virgin olive oil. A very affordable brand that you can get at Costco or Walmart. And I actually get mine on Amazon. It's about 40 to 50 bucks per 2 liter. This is called Kirkland extra virgin olive oil. And again, this was actually on that study proven to be real olive oil. So, and what we're going to do is we're going to try this one. It's a new one for me. It's called La Española extra virgin olive oil. And you know that you got good olive oil. A lot of times there'll be more of a green tint to it. And when you taste it, it'll have like a peppery pinch to it that'll actually almost choke you. So let's go ahead and take a swig, a shot. And this is what I take at night. Take about 3 tablespoons, 3 to 4 tablespoons. As you can see there, it's not like golden yellow like a lot of the fake ones. Okay. So bon appetit. Now you can put a little bit of honey and lemon in there if you want. And I highly recommend you not eat 6 hours before going to bed. Only extra virgin olive oil. Yes. Woo, that does have that pinch. Woo. So that's a good one. I've never tasted that one before. That's pretty good. Okay, so Let me know if you try out extra virgin olive oil, a shot of it before going to bed. Put it in the comment section after you try it for like a few weeks or a month. Let me know if you're sleeping less, if your loved one around you, if they tell you, hey, dude, you're not snoring as much. Let me know. And there you go.